Hi Rebels, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, my name is Klaiyi, but I go by Beauty Rebellion. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back Rebels. Today's video is yet another hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed and styled this highlighted frontal wig from Klaiyi Hair Company. So if you like what you see and you want to achieve this look, just keep on watching. Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a phone, make a keep a deep phone, 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 your body, kakara, make a phone, 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 on a magnetic. Alright Rebels, so I'm jumping right into it. This is the box that my wig came in when I first received it. My wig came along with a lot of cute little goodies. They sent me a bag with some lashes, clips, and a scarf inside of it. They also sent me a little silk bag to keep my wig stored in, a wig cap. I already have one on, but I'll definitely save this one for later. An edge band, another hair scarf, and here is the wig that they sent me. This is their 24-inch frontal wig. It came pre-colored with these really pretty blonde highlights. Right out of the bag, the hair feels really soft, guys. The parting space on this wig is 13 by 4, and the density is 180% density. This is how it looks on right out of the bag, but I'm not gonna keep it like that, y'all. I went ahead and customized it off camera. I bleached the knots and plucked it, and this is how it looked after I was done customizing it, guys. I literally have tons of videos on how I do my customization process, so just to speed the video up, I didn't want to show that part. But if you are interested in seeing how I customized it, I have lots of videos on how I do it, and I will definitely leave one in the description box. I went ahead and glued down my bald cap, and now it's time to install her, guys. First thing first, I'm going to make sure it fits. I'm going to go ahead and position her, line her up right in front of my natural hairline. And for this install, I'm going to be cutting my lace off first. I usually don't cut my lace off until after it's glued down, but I wanted to try something a little different this time and see if I like this method. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a little slit down the middle, and I'm going to cut off one side first and then work my way over and cut off the other side. Alright guys, so once that lace is cut off and it's looking really good, I'm gonna go ahead and secure my install using my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that around the front perimeter of my hairline, right on the lace, and then I'm gonna blow dry it on a low temperature heat using my rat tail comb to just press that lace in as well. So as the spray dries, that lace is just going to go ahead and melt in there, y'all. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and do that on both sides, and I'll be back once that's done. Alright guys, so once that spray dries completely and our wig is secured on, just go ahead and take some powder foundation and add it to the lace to help camouflage it and make it look a little bit more realistic. I'm going to go ahead and tie down my elastic band around my edges now to help it melt in even more while I style the hair. So here you see me just combing through the hair before I flat iron it, just trying to get all the kinks and knots out of it. Y'all, I am in love with this pre-colored highlighted look. It is really, really, really pretty. Klaiyi Hair did a really good job with the color on this wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair like normal, starting from the back, and I'm gonna chase it with my comb before I even get into these curls. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I straightened the whole thing, and this is what the texture looks like straight. I like it. It's giving me like a more yucky texture because it didn't get like bone straight. But I like the texture. I like the way it looks. And I really, really like the way the frontal melted in. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. I am styling it with a side part today. And one thing I will say, I know the camera quality around this part of the video got a little blurry, but the lace is giving scalp. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but the lace is really giving scalp. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and part it, get my parting exactly where I want it to be, and then with my hot comb I'm just going to press it and make sure it's nice and flat. So before I go in with my hot comb, I like to use this wax from the Influence line. I like to use it just to give my hair a shine and to help lay down any flyaways. It's not too heavy, and that's why I do like this wax. I just go ahead and put it all over, you know, the top of my lace before I go on with my hot comb, and then just press it all in. And like I said, guys, I like to use this wax, or I know some people like to use like a wax stick. I like to use this wax because it's not too heavy and it gives the hair a shine without weighing the top of the hair down. So yeah, just going around the perimeter of the hairline just to make sure everything is nice and flat, there's no flyaways or anything before we get into the actual styling of the hair. Guys, once I'm done and I know my lace is nice and melted in and it's looking really good, we're just gonna go ahead and do those baby hairs. The edge control I'm going to be using today is my Stronghold edge control from the Klaiyi Naturals collection. Y'all, I've been swearing by this edge control in my last couple videos, and that's because it is all that, okay? Like, this edge control, not only on my wigs, but on my natural hair, like, it doesn't leave any white residue or anything, and it just lays the hair down really, really nicely. So if you guys have not checked her out, I know this is the second video that I'm like shouting her out, and it's definitely not sponsored, guys, but I really, really love this edge control, and it's black owned, so y'all go support her. Go support that black woman. Alright guys, so the lace is perfect, the side part looks good, the hair is nice and straight. I was thinking about keeping it like this, but then I was like, nah, y'all, I want to do some curls. So I'm going to go ahead and add some layers in the hair to the front, in the top parts of the wig, and then we're going to get into curling it. I just like to add layers to the hair when I'm curling the hair to give it more body and more volume. So that's what you see me doing right now. Just adding layers to both sides of the hair and a little bit to the back, not too much. I really just want the front part to frame my face, and that's why I'm adding the layers to like the front part and the top part of the wig. Now that the layers are done and it's to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and start from the back and just add some loose body wave curls to the hair using my flat irons. Y'all know I love some flat iron curls. So I'm going to just go ahead and curl it, and I'll be back once I'm finished with that. Once I finish curling the entire head, I'm just going to comb through the curls completely because I really just wanted to go for a loose body curl look. And this is what it's giving, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. I am absolutely obsessed with this color. These highlights are really, really pretty. Again, this wig is from Klaiyi Hair Company. I really hope I'm pronouncing their name correctly. This is their 24-inch highlights body wig. body wave wig, 13x4 frontal. All the details will be listed below in the description box. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, guys. Leave me some feedback down below in the comment section, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Love you guys to the moon and back, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Smooches. Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep phone, 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 your body, kakara, make a phone, 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 on a magnetic.